My name is Stratis Batallas and I'm the original of MANNA in Arcadia, a member of Design Hotels. So the building that MANNA exists today used to be a former sanatorium back in the 1920s. It was abandoned for more than 80 years. So I was coming here as a child and I had the childhood dream of reconverting this building into a hotel. Actually not just a hotel, but a modern sanctuary for the body and the soul. The most exciting thing in MANNA is the outdoor activities that have to do with the nature and the surrounding area.
We are going near to the Lousios River. We are doing hiking, about 5 kilometers, archery, and we learn how to survive, how to build a refuge. We are doing lessons with compass and map, and how to start a fire with fungi, lichens and moss.
Our philosophy in MANNA is using 100% of the local ingredients and make something sustainable with respect to techniques and the local environment. The menu for today is using the goods that we source from the local markets, such as a nice smoked trout that we create the tarama with sun-dried tomatoes, a lovely tartar made out of lamb, horseradish mayo, pickles and pine oil. And for main course, we chose a local beef, a ribeye that we're gonna cook it with a blue cheese called schiano and a honey gravy from the most amazing ingredients that is a local sourced vanilla honey. As a dessert, we have a variety of Greek yogurt, grilled fruits, the honey, and of course a nice milk pudding dessert.
Just to mention that this is our first Marriott Bonvoy Moment experience, having such a special host, a chef, to host us is something that I think both of us appreciate a lot. Yes.